Hey mate, let me ask you something. Did you know your phone can be hacked just as easily as your computer? It's a bit scary, yeah, but don't worry. I'll walk you through how hackers get in and what you can do to keep your phone safe. First things first, let's talk about how these ethical hackers, or white hats, break into phones. They use the same tricks as the bad guys to test security, but instead of stealing info, they help fix the gaps. One of the most common ways is through dodgy Wi-Fi networks. Ever connected to free Wi-Fi at the cafe? Hackers can set up fake networks, and if you connect, they can snoop on your data. Passwords, texts, even banking details. Another big one is phishing. That's when you get a text or email pretending to be your bank or a friend, asking you to click a link. If you do, it could install spyware right onto your phone. And let's not forget about dodgy apps. Sometimes apps you download aren't what they seem. Maybe they ask for weird permissions or try to access your contacts and messages. So, what can you do to protect yourself? First, always use a strong passcode or biometric lock, like your fingerprint or face. Don't use something obvious like 1234 or your birthday. Next, avoid public Wi-Fi if you can. If you have to use it, don't log in to sensitive accounts, and consider using a VPN for extra security. Be smart with your apps. Only download from official stores like Google Play or the App Store. Read the reviews, check the permissions, and if anything seems off, skip it, and watch out for suspicious messages. If you get a text or email with a strange link, even if it looks real, don't click it. When in doubt, go straight to the website in your browser or contact the person directly. Keep your phone's software up to date. Updates patch security holes and keep hackers out. If you ever feel like something's not right, maybe your phone's acting weird or your battery's draining faster than usual, don't ignore it. It could be a sign of malware. Check the pinned comment and video description for links to professional help or more resources. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and support. Stay tuned for the next episode. Your phone's safety is in your hands.